vlog. Today we're unboxing gardening tools. So here they are. So the first item is Easy Grip Cultivator, and it's power coated carbon steel head ergonomic rubberized grip. And the price is $9 without tax. So the next one is stainless steel weeder. From this you can take out all the bushes or weeds from the backyard or front yard. And the price of it is $12. And this one is Easy Grip TRANSPLANTer. And it's power coated carbon steel head ergonomic rubberized grip. It's rubber. And it's $9. The next one is Easy Grip Cultivator. It's power coated and rubberized grip too, and the price of it is $9. The last one is stainless steel TRANSPLANTer. Its price is $12 too. So this is the tool basket where you can put your tools in. It costs $3 with tax, and you can buy it from Dollar Tree and all of these from Lowe's. Time to say bye from Digital Dog. See you in next video. Bye.